Marty. I know, he's such a great guy, isn't he? Love it.
Good sport, unless you're trying to tackle him. Then I'm just gonna step aside and let someone else
I'm not going to try to tackle him. No way.
Well, this is Brooke Kempton, and she runs and owns Carve Studios, right? And it is a whole new exercise, a way of exercising, the Carve workout, K-A-R-V, right? I'll get to the spelling. That's all I know. That's where my knowledge stops. So you need to come in and explain it and demonstrate and things like that. Why don't you come in right here closer so you can see all that?
She's not doing plie, right?
This is a thigh exercise. So Carve is a 1-hour full body sculpting class based off the ballet bar, yoga, and Pilates.
Ooh.
So Haley's in a thigh work position called high parallel. So our heels are really, really high, and we're also squeezing on that ball to activate those inner thighs.
So you're keeping everything's going at the same time.
Everything's going at the same time. You're lengthening out those thigh muscles, but it's a tiny, tiny movement. We're working into that contraction. Perfect. That looks great.
Yeah,
I gotta try that. I'm not gonna do the ball because I've got my skirt on.
Can we bring Herschel in here, because he's in better shape than I am? Get him right here. How about right here without the football? Oh, you got a football. Put it between your legs, baby. There you go. You're set.
Football can work too. Anything.
Okay,
lift those heels high. Good.
My thighs are shaking.
Good. That's what we want. We want to focus on that trembling. That's when you know your body's changing. Good.
Yeah, you guys are doing great. Keep it up. Keep it up. You guys are great.
This is terribly wonderful. I mean.
Good. All right, you guys can stand up.
Now we just need some music. We're in perfect harmony, aren't we?
Yeah, our class is set to lively music, fun music to inspire the client so they can really work through those hard sections.
Okay, is that hard?
That was hard.
Okay, so what other exercises are part of this 1-hour workout?
Well, we also have Lauren down here on the floor doing the reverse push-ups. This is going to target the tricep muscle, the muscle behind that bicep that's really the muscle that women want to focus on, that flabby under the arm muscle
that doesn't happen.
That we usually don't work. So that's a great exercise for this. It's also strengthening.
So we'll have Herschel arms?
Oh, absolutely.
You have better than Herschel arms.
Yeah, feel those arms to see. Yeah, I bet. Yeah, I bet.
That's good.
He's been doing his exercises.
He's been in the carb exercise,
exactly.
right?
So where?
He actually was telling us he does similar exercises to this. He's never really lifted weights.
exercise that they're doing. You know, I never lifted weights, but the exercise they're doing is exercise I've been doing for 20-something years. So it has carried me through NFL, Olympics, MMA fighting. So these exercises are very good because they build core strength.
Right.
And that's what you want, a real core strength.
Yeah.
A ringing endorsement. So where are you located? Where do people find you? How to get a hold of you?
We're located in Linden, Utah, just 550 North, right off State Street. The rest of this week is complimentary. So through Saturday, we have about 4 or 5 classes every day, and so you can come to as many as you like for free.
And then test it out, see if it's something you want to enroll in. And then if you do decide to enroll, that you can talk about costs there. But you also offer childcare?
We do. We offer childcare, exactly. So come drop your kids off and take an hour of full body, great workout.
Okay.
Do the kids have to do this too when they're in the childcare? Do you have them in there doing?
I should probably do a little kid class.
A child version about it. Well,
exactly.
I tell you what, just a little bit like that. I can't believe that little bit of movement, all those things.
Exactly. That's what changes your body.
Again, it's called the Carve workout, right?
Carve with the K.
K-A-R-V, Carve Studio, carvestudio.com/linden.html. But just put Carve Studio, you'll find it.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, I'm going to go take my wobbly thighs over to the weather center.
Thank you.
We'll do traffic and weather when we come back.